My name is Riyam Gidi. I'm from Pretoria, stay in Pretoria, working in Joburg. I've been suffering from headaches since I was a child, I think about 8 years. They were just headaches to me. So since that time, I've been in and out of doctors, in and out of hospitals, until I started working, and then whereby I started consulting the specialist. I went to the neurologist, I think it was in 2010. Okay, before that I went to GP, and then he said that maybe I need to get the spectacles, maybe the headaches will be better. So I went to the eye doctor. They prescribed the spectacles for me, but it didn't do that much help. So then because I was in and out of hospital, the other time I went to hospital, and then they referred me to the specialist, the neurologist, and then I went and consulted the neurologist, and then she diagnosed me with a migraine with auras. So every time when I'm going to have migraine, I will have auras. I will feel like there are stars running in front of me. Sometimes I will have just a temporary loss of vision, like maybe for a minute or like seconds or so. And then after that, I will know that the headache is coming, and it will be a very bad headache. So the neurologist prescribed some drugs for me, lots and lots of drugs. I've been changing, giving me different types of drugs, taking them, but they were too strong for me, because after taking the drugs, I will sleep, they will knock me down. So I didn't have a social life anymore. Excuse me. I didn't have time for my family. I have 2 kids. The smallest is 7. So I will be sleeping almost every weekend, taking drugs just to make the headache better. When the drugs are out of my system, the headache will start again. So that was not the life at all, because I'm married. I also have a husband. It was difficult for my husband. And even at work, fortunately, I had a understanding boss, because I'll be at work maybe once a week or twice a week. Most of the times I will be at home. So until one of my colleagues recommended the headache clinic, told me about the headache clinic, because her mom also suffered from migraine. And then they decided to bring her here at the headache clinic in 2011. And then she said that the headache clinic helped her very much. So I also decided to come. And then she told me about the price, but if you are sick, the price is nothing. So I just said, let me just take my chances. So I came here, I think it was in September. And then they ran some tests, different tests, and then I was diagnosed with a headache caused by the muscles. So because I also have a back problem, I always have back problems, neck problems. So I was wondering what was the cause of the headache. I didn't know what was the cause of the headache, because the other time I was listening to the 702 radio, I heard the doctor talking about the headache, and then he said that most of the doctors, they treat the symptoms, not the cause of the headache. So after coming here to the headache clinic, they told me that my migraine is caused by the muscles. So after that, they recommended the treatment, which was a PMA. So I started using PMA on the 13th of October. And then since then, like first week, it didn't show much different. But after 2 weeks, I could notice some difference, because like before I came here that month in September, when I came here, I had non-stop headaches. I will wake up with headache every day. I will sleep with headache every night. So after starting using PMA, those headaches started disappearing. And then unfortunately, I broke my PMA. Okay, and then I came back, the clinic fixed it, and then since then I'm a very happy person. I do a lot of activities with my family. We went out on weekend, like just to try and what can I say, try to live my life the way it's supposed to be, without headache. So, and at the moment, I'm not using any tablets or any drugs. I'm only using the PMA that was recommended by the headache clinic as my treatment.